Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever spent hours perfecting a design in Canva, only to worry about losing it or struggling to save it properly, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to save your Canva designs easily, covering both automatic saving and manual downloads, so you never lose your work again. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about Canva's autosave feature. One of the best things about Canva is that it automatically saves every change you make in real time. This means if your computer crashes or you accidentally close the browser, your design is safe. You can even see a little status indicator in the top left corner of your screen confirming that your latest changes are saved. This is super handy because it gives you peace of mind while designing. Next, sometimes you might want to download your finished design to your device for offline use or sharing. Here's how to do it. Look at the top right corner of your Canva workspace and click the Share button. From the menu that pops up, choose Download. You'll see a pop-up with different settings. Here, you can select your preferred file type, like JPG, PNG, or PDF, depending on what you need. Canva even lets you adjust other options, like image quality or transparency for certain file types. Once you've set everything up, just hit the final download button and your design will start transferring to your device. And that's it. Whether you rely on Canva's autosave or manually download your work, saving your designs has never been easier. Saving your work properly is one of the simplest yet most important steps in design, and now you know exactly how to do it in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.